Hello everyone, welcome back to our newest vlog. With you as always, me, Virus. Last weekend we spent at Flat Out Festival here in Poland, and this week we're still in Poland. Today we are in Tarnowskie Gory and helping our friends from GSWF Poland providing bronze certification. Training is organized here at Car Skin facility, and I would like to show you around. Here I have a small bench with my tools and to show guys different squeegees, knives, blades, clay pots. As well, we have a couple cars where we demonstrating installation process and people can practice their skills. As you know, GSWF have many different products, not only clear PPF, they have 3 different shades for the headlights and taillights. They have 27 different colors, as well matte and satin paint protection film. And this is what we're learning to use. Here we have a 2 days training. First day we was playing around with the small parts, mirrors, headlights, and learning basics about paint protection film. Second day is more about wrapping entire parts, full panels, bonnets, we will wrap bumper, fender, etc. Here we have our second car, where guys already was playing with the colored PPF yesterday. They was trying to wrap every single edge, and as you see, you can do it without any problems. Also playing with the mirrors. This mirror is wrapped in color paint protection film, and guys was able to do it in one piece. So this is our 2 days training plan. Let's continue.